Hello everybody, I'm Tracy, Great Plains Transport. I've been working for about a year now, and as an employee of the company, I'd like to know how I can communicate with my fellow employees on a video way. If Susan needs to yell at me, which I need to be yelled at, we all know that if you know me, but is there a way we can talk video chats, educate me on stuff? If I need to talk to the shop, can the shop tell me how to prime the reefer? Is there a way of doing that? It would be a lot easier with video chat than besides just talking to me over the phone. Is there a way of doing that? I would like to know.
Well, as you heard from Tracy there, a driver of Great Plains here now for over a year, that he'd like to communicate better with his coworkers in the office, the dispatchers. I feel like I and Great Plains have failed all the employees here by not communicating more effectively, and we want to just change that. And we feel that Microsoft Teams can do that for us. We can have chat, we can have video chat through that. You can send anonymous questions if you want. We just want there to be a new way for people to reach out and engage their coworkers. We're just gonna communicate different. The world's changing, it's 2021, and Great Plains, as always, is gonna be the front runner. So help us in this Microsoft Teams rollout as you start to see a lot more of your coworkers than you used to. You know, I think about communication a lot. I read that you have to over communicate to communicate today, and I'm all for that. All of us here at Great Plains are ready to over-communicate. Many of our drivers, which is over 200 right now, you guys leave our office and you may not see us for 90 days. You may not see your new coworkers. Sometimes coworkers have come and gone and nobody has even met them. You know, I don't want that to be the case here. We can connect better. We can know our fellow coworkers, right? If we're gonna spend half of our working lives together, let's get to know the people we're working with. You don't have to know personal effects about them, but you know, what did you do this weekend? Did you see any good movies? You got any good tips or suggestions? Are you a good cook? Can you share a recipe perhaps? You know, that's communication to me. That's share, and that's a community, right? Microsoft Teams, I believe, is a first step in doing that. It's the first way to create a real relationship.
So we're gonna get it set up here. If you guys want to get your phones out and get Microsoft Teams up, we'll get you logged in.
So is it that same email?
Your driver code
Okay.
at greatplainstransport.com. Password is going to be capitalized GPT at the last four of your phone number.
AT or at?
At.
Okay.
There is GPT Family. That is literally whatever is on there. Everybody can see it.
Right.
Even us. Even the drivers.
Congratulations on being one of the first drivers to sign up for Teams. How would you describe the process of signing up for Teams?
It's pretty easy. I mean, once you get signed in, it's all pretty much right there on the main screen.
How do you feel about this new feature that Great Plains is introducing?
I like it. You can see when people look at your messages, so you know, like, okay, Susan's read my message, so I should get a response here shortly, or whatever. And then, it seems like a good option to use.